Hey, what's up YouTube? Another update regarding my car. My starter went bad yesterday. Just want to show you the symptoms of having a bad starter. So you hit the stop engine button. Everything works until now. Screen is on, everything, dashboard is on, everything is working fine. So the time you press the brakes, you hit stop button to start the engine. All you hear is something gets sucked into the engine without turning on, and you will get this ignition switch on, stop button on the dashboard thing. I was getting an ignition malfunction. I don't know why I don't have it anymore. So let's try one more time. Cut it off. Press it again. Ignition switched on. Press the brakes. Try to turn the engine. So you hear something gets sucked in, but you know, it's like the starter gets stuck. Like, that's all you hear. The battery is fine. I mean, the problem is not the battery. If it was the battery, you won't even have these lights on. Nothing will be on. So I went ahead and I bought the original part for my car. It's a Bosch. So this is the part I got for my car. It's Bosch SR0492X, and they have SR0492N. The X stands for factory refurbished, and the N stands for brand new one. So I didn't find the N. Basically, the only difference is, according to them, the N stands for the brand new one, and the X stands for a factory refurbished. What they do is they take the old ones from people, like the core, and they empty the the bad stuff. They keep the shell, they replace the bad components inside. That's about it. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, so I'm not lefty, gotta use my right hand. There's a Bosch little manual user in here. Looks new to me. So you got the warning sticker, the Bosch sticker with the part number, serial number. Looks like they did a good job on refurbishing this thing. Plus I got 2 years warranty. Oh, looks like I was gonna lose the warranty right off the bat. So this is it, guys. That's the part. It's the starter. Let me show you where this thing is located at. So to replace the starter on an N55 engine, 2011 BMW 535 Bad N55 engine, you need to remove the airbox. You need to remove the manifold, which is hidden right underneath the box. You need to remove the charge pipe, and I don't know if I can squeeze this thing in. Sorry about that. So the starter is hidden right underneath the manifold. Right on the top of the transmission. It's right in this area right here. It's right underneath. It does involve a little bit of work, but it's fun. I'll do my best to record as much as I can when I decide to replace my starter, since there's nobody to help me out. So I'll do my best to take a few pictures and a video if I can. All right, you guys, you take care. Talk to you later. The job is done, starter installed, everything is back in place. As you can see, this is the old starter. You can tell this thing has been running for 8 years. So this is gonna be my core. Gotta return it back to get some money back. And you can tell basically how this thing works is when you ignition is engaged, this gear right here gets pushed over to the front, right on the top of the flywheel, so it starts the engine and it goes back in. Be a moment of truth. Let's check the new starter. All right. Ignition engaged. The dates and time is not showing in here because I disconnected the battery. So every time you disconnect the battery, you know, you gotta reset the time and date. And every time you guys working on your engines, just for the hell of it, better be safe than sorry. Just disconnect the battery. You never know what's gonna happen. All right, let's check the starter. Oh, starts right on. Shut it off. Let's test it again. Mission accomplished. I hope you guys like this video. Have a good night.